Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Sawblade of Bosch GCD 12JL. I've been looking around Google, Googling, but I cannot find anything that shows how to replace Sawblade of GCD 12JL. So, by the way, I'm going to replace it with Diablo Steel Demon. Cuts like a hot knife through a butter. Oh no, through butter, sorry. Okay, so without further ado, let's start changing the blade.
Make sure that your cord is unplugged before starting changing the blade. Next is bring the power tool into work position. Next is use the hex key combination with screwdriver that comes with it. Next, let's loosen the screws number 26 and 27. Make sure you loosen the screw enough as shown in the video. Next, press the lock lever and swivel the retracted blade guard upwards as far as possible. Press the spindle lock while rotating the saw blade clockwise until it engages. Next, while holding and pressing the spindle lock key, use the provided hex key and turn it counterclockwise to remove the clamping flange. And then finally, you can remove the saw blade. Make sure the direction of the saw blade and the power tool are the same. As you can see in the video, the direction is going counterclockwise. Put on the clamping flange and the screw while holding and pressing the spindle lock going clockwise. Push down the locking lever and push the retracting blade guard downwards and tighten the screws back. And that's it guys, the new saw blade is installed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.